You love a hard touch, you my one. When all is said and done, you'll believe God is one.
Everyone, it's Michelle and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a super exciting one. My friend April was kind enough to ask her boss, Caryl Baker Visage, if I could have some makeup to try out and review on my channel. So I have some stuff that I get to play around with. I did a tutorial. This look right here with the makeup. Spoiler alert, it's amazing. So let's get into swatching and showing you all the products. They're so nice, such high quality stuff. So thank you so much, April, once again for getting me these products. And thank you so much, Caryl Baker, for allowing me to try out your products and try them on my channel. This is so exciting. I feel like a real beauty guru. I love makeup. I love playing with makeup. I am still a small channel and growing, so I don't really have companies just handing me over products yet. So this is like a dream come true. It was like Christmas morning getting this stuff. I'm so excited if you can't tell. So let's get into swatching some stuff. I got 4 lipsticks here. 2 of them in the old packaging. They do not say Caryl Baker on them. They're just nice, plain, sleek, black packaging. And then the new packaging, oh my God, is this not the cutest thing you ever saw? It says Caryl Baker on it with a little diamond here, and when you open it up, it has a little mirror. Apparently all of the new lipsticks are going to be formulated like this, and now they have names on them. Oh no. Oh no, I hit the tip. Oh no. Can't be wrecking my beautiful lipsticks. So the old ones, we have number 4304. It's a beautiful peachy nude. I'm wearing one of the colors on my lips right now. It's super comfortable, super creamy, not dry feeling at all. And they smell so good, like vanilla cupcakes. So yummy. So here's the first color. This is number 4304 in the old packaging. I'm not sure if all the new ones are gonna have names and not numbers because the 2 new ones do have names on them. We'll go with the old packaging one again. It's number 4255. This one is the one I'm wearing right now. It kind of looks like a metallic pinky shade. Look at that color right there. So beautiful. I am not finding any inconsistencies with the product. They all feel really creamy. They're definitely not matte, but they're not sparkly in any way either. I'd say maybe a satin sheen. And then we have Kiss Kiss. What a cute name in the new packaging. This one is like a brown nude, perfect for winter time, fall, when you're doing your nice warm tone looks. I can't wait to use this one. You have that right here, nice like burgundy brown tone. They smell amazing. This is probably my favorite one in Honeydew. It's a nice peachy, rosy nude, like a Your Lips But Better color. And there it is right there. I am loving these so much. It feels really great on the lips. I love the scent. I have a hard time with lipsticks that have a bad scent, like L'Oreal for instance. I can't use them because they just smell like Play-Doh and it really bothers me. So we also got 2 liquid lips. They look like this. So we have Vivid. Ooh, that's gonna be gorgeous around Christmas time. Look at that red. Is that not beautiful? Doesn't look matte. I can't say for sure how these wear, but my daughter actually has tried it out and she loves it. If you would like an update video on all of these products, let me know down below. Today is just a first impressions in a tutorial, trying out the eyeshadows just to let you know how they perform in the lipsticks and just swatching it out and getting a feel for the brand. So then we have the liquid lipstick in Radiant. So pigmented, so creamy. Look at that color. Right here, this beautiful burgundy and another beautiful fall and winter color. I am so excited to use that. And then I was given one blush. It doesn't say a color here. I'm wearing it on my cheeks right now. Honestly, it's a little dark for me, I feel, but maybe in the winter I might like it more just because you wear like darker toned lipsticks and stuff. Or I might just use it for an eyeshadow. It definitely was really blendable. Here's the color right here. I didn't have any issues with it being patchy or powdery or anything. It's just I find it a little dark because I'm really pale right now. Okay, now let's get into the eyeshadows. We got one in the pan here. It's called Cloud 9. Just a nice matte white, perfect for a base all over the lid. We're gonna swatch these out. There it is right there. So this is a palette that my friend gave me, And I just threw all the eyeshadows from Caryl Baker into here because I did not have anything to put them in. They're magnetized, depotted shadows. So for now, they're gonna stay in here. I really wanna get a Caryl Baker one so that they're in their proper homes, okay? So we're gonna do the first color here we have is Sweet Dreams. Oh, that blends beautifully. A nice mauvey tone for the winter time. The colors I'm wearing on my eyes right now are this Velvet Orchid color, purple, beautiful, not patchy, blendable, buildable. I'm not being paid to talk about these products. I could say whatever, my honest opinion, and I love these eyeshadows. Super pigmented, blendable, buildable. I had no issues working with these. This color is probably my ultimate favorite out of the entire collection that I got. It's in Mimosa. I'm wearing it in the center of my eyelid right now. So gorgeous, and bam, in your face. Look at that beautiful lilac color. Showing it on my arm is not doing it justice. And then we got this beautiful gold tone color in Last Dance. A nice sparkly lid color. Again, perfect for the fall. She gave me a lot of fall colors, I guess because fall's coming up. Here it is right here, a nice sparkly gold. Then we have a deep maroon color in Brazen. That's what it looks like in the pan, and then swatched. It's right there, a nice deep purple. And then she gave me this like very interesting sparkly orange tone. It's called Sunrise. I'm looking forward to do a sunset eye with this. This one is a little bit powdery, but still very, very nice, very pigmented. Then we have this perfect rosy tone in Hot Stuff. Ooh, I love this. These are my type of colors right here. Look at that. So gorgeous. This has a little bit of shimmer to it. And then we have this one. Doesn't have a name on it. It's another gold sparkly color. We're just gonna put it right there. It's not showing up very well on camera. Here we have it right here. And then last but not least, she gave me a matte black. Everybody needs a matte black in their life. Look at how pigmented that is. Sorry, I don't mean to flip anybody off. It's very, very buttery and creamy. There it is right there. Here's just a close-up of the swatches. So that's everything that I was given. I'm going to go into the tutorial now and show you how I got this look right here. It turned out beautifully. I am super happy with the makeup, and then I will see you back at the end. Let's go in really light-handed because I don't know how pigmented these are going to be. I'm scared. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh wow. I may end up using it for an eyeshadow because it's a little dark for my cheeks. Tone it down a little bit. Okay. Alright, let's go in with the eye look. I'm going to do a purpley toned look. I didn't really get any transition colors to try out, so I'm just going to go with one of my matte browns in the crease, just to start me off. Any kind of blending brush, nice fluffy blend. A nice fluffy blending brush. Don't you love how the fan is just blowing up my wings? It's just great. I honestly can't tell you what this color is. Another friend of mine, Nancy, she gave me a few things and they didn't have color names on them. They were just in the pan. I'm assuming they're from Ofra Cosmetics, but I'm not really sure. We're gonna go in with Velvet Orchid from the Caryl Baker line. We're gonna go the outer third of the eye, actually. Oh wow. Okay, that's quite pigmented. It seems to be buildable. And on the other side. Try to do a bit of a halo eye here. I am definitely not a makeup artist. I just love playing with makeup, so I'm learning just like a lot of people, but usually by the end, I love how it turns out. I've been playing with makeup since I was probably about 12 years old. I really enjoy watching Get Ready With Me when they do like a chit-chatty Get Ready With Me. So I think I'm going to start doing that on my channel when I'm doing tutorials, just so you're not just watching me blend. I know that can get a little boring, a little repetitive. So I'm going to tell you a little story about when I was growing up. So like I said, I've been doing makeup since I was probably 12 years old. I started dyeing my hair around that age as well. I always did my nails, things like that. One day I was messing around with my mom's makeup and she caught me, and she was mad and she was yelling and she chased me up the stairs. The bedrooms and the bathroom were upstairs in our home at that time. And she chased me up the stairs, told me she was going to give me a smack because I was touching her makeup without asking. So I ran upstairs and locked myself in the bathroom. Well, I found some nail polish remover in the bathroom, and I decided when my mom was standing at the bottom of the stairs to whip the nail polish remover down at her. It left a very bad stain all down the stairs. If anybody knows what happens when you drop nail polish remover, it's like bleach. So yeah, sorry about that, Mom. I know she watches some of my videos. I'll never forget doing that. She was so mad. I am so lucky I didn't get my ass beat. Okay, so I really want to try this beautiful light purple. It's called Mimosa, right in the center of the lid. I'm gonna pop that in there. Maybe I'll try with my finger. Ooh, oh yes. That shows up really nice. Oh, I love that. Love it. This is a winner. This is a fave so far. Yellow, yes. Yellow, yes, and yellow, yes. I love it. Yet I do. Back in with Velvet Orchid with a flat brush this time and try to pack. Oh yeah, that definitely works better. See how opaque it looks now? The inner portion, the inner third of the eye. These are very nice shadows. They are blendable, they are buildable, not too powdery. Really applying quite well. Gonna go back over the crease a little bit. Oh, that's turning out nice. Go back in with Mimosa, the light lilac. Ooh, we're gonna go back in with Mimosa, the light lilac color, and just go back over that a little bit. Blend it in with your fingers. Oh my God, I am dying over this color. That color really pops on the eyes. I love it. First we'll go back in with the Velvet Orchid. We'll go on the outer portion of the lash line just to make all the colors mesh together. This is looking quite pretty. I like it. Now let's pop that. I call it lilac, but it's actually mimosa. We're gonna pop that under the lower lash line. Let's do a nice flat brush underneath those lashes. I actually have a purple eyeliner. I wonder if I should use that in the waterline. So I have a NYX eyebrow pencil, it says in purple, but that is not an eyebrow pencil. We're gonna go in the waterline with this. This is not very creamy. It is not working very well at all. Quite surprising that it's not doing much because NYX is one of my favorite, if not my ultimate favorite drugstore brand. Yeah, I tried sharpening and it's not doing anything. It's just making my eye really sore. I wonder if I put it under. Yeah, that's not doing much of anything. It's a very pretty color on the hand. I don't know why it's not working well on the eyes. showing up a little. Trying to get a little liner on the outer portion of the eye. Really not doing much of anything. Oh, it's so crumbly. What a horrible product. Nope. This is garbage. Do not love. I think I'm just gonna stop there for the eye look. I'm gonna put some mascara on. I don't really wear purple too often. I love purple, but I'm more prone to the warm tones for my eyes. So it's a nice change of pace. Okay, next we're gonna go in with the Caryl Baker shadow in Cloud 9 for the inner corner. Sometimes I like using one of these applicators. It really works well for the inner corner. It's perfect tip. You don't need to throw these away. These can do some good things. They actually pack color on the lids quite well. This is not giving me the highlight I was hoping for though. No, that's not really showing up. This probably would be better as a base color. It's not a highlight color I was hoping. I'm gonna pull in something from the Essence Fairy Wings palette. The Unicorn Tears color here is amazing for an inner corner highlight. So beautiful. Okay, my eye look is done. Now we're gonna try one of the lipsticks. I was something a little bit pinky toned. We got 4255. We're gonna try this one. See how that looks with this. Oh, they smell so good. Like cupcakes or vanilla. Very creamy on the lips. Oh yes. Nudes usually go well with a really out there eye look. This is more like a Your Lips But Better color. It's nice. I'm not sure if it really goes with the look. Feels really nice. Definitely. We're gonna use the NYX lip liner in Peekaboo Neutral. Oh yeah, that matches perfect. Gotta do my hair and I'll be right back. So this is the final look. I love the eyeshadows, super blendable and pigmented, and the lipstick is moisturizing and super comfortable on the lips, not dry at all, which is a problem for me with a lot of lipsticks. So amazing. So I just want to do a quick check-in for the eyeshadow. The light lilac or mimosa, it's almost disappeared. The dark color is still there, but it looks kind of muddy. And just the pop of light purple that I was loving so much just kind of blends away after a while. It just disappeared. I don't know where it went. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review and tutorial. Thanks again to April and Caryl Baker Visage for blessing me with your makeup. If you enjoyed this tutorial, Chit Chat Get Ready With Me video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. Lets me know what you're enjoying watching. Comment down below if you have any video suggestions. Thanks to everybody that's a returning subscriber. You have my heart. I appreciate your support so much. And anyone who's new here, I would love it if you subscribe and join my little family. So until the next time,